think the Indian markets for the most part are outside my circle of competence. And the reason they are outside my circle of competence is because I'm not here. And the format the type of work I would need to do to really understand many businesses would be similar to private equity investing in the US. You really have to get to know management and get to know a lot of, I would say, you need to be on the ground and get to know a lot more, I would say, a deeper understanding of things. A few things seemed within circle of competence, a few things, and it's hard to know exactly how the future unfolds. But India has had I would say, 67-year history, more than a 67 history of, I would say, either leaders who had a socialist bent or leaders who had poor governance, or both, or even when they were capitalists, they were not whole hog capitalists and so on. So we have a leader in Modi where there is a chance for very significant change. And I've always felt that in India, for example, the government, if they did just two or three things. One is get out of the way. That'd be the first thing. Getting out of the way would be a great thing for the government to do in many, many places. Build out great infrastructure. Build out great schools. That would be a tremendous model. Get out of the way and focus on the things that governments are meant to do. And there's some chance that may happen, right? And so if we actually end up with those dynamics, then you could see significant GDP growth and significant growth in corporate profits and even revenues and so on. So you get a lot of tailwinds in that case. And so I think we've made a few bets where we think downside is very muted, and we think there is. Most of the bets we have are in banking in general. Banks will grow at a multiple of GDP, and so if the GDP growth is coming in, then that will help. And I'm sure India has a large population, one bank, and such. I think there's lots of scope on that front. So those are some of the reasons, and we'll see how it works out.